the Muslims of the years have declined in the areas of science, technology, and other fields. Now, why have we declined recently, and why are the Muslim nations bowing to Western countries for technological help and other help?
Well, that's a very good question, that why have the Muslims declined in terms of science and technology? Why do we look up to the Western world, etc.? If you read history, from the 8th to the 12th centuries, the Europeans, they called it as the Dark Ages. Dark for whom? Dark for the Europeans. The amount of advances the Muslim Arabs made is phenomenal. It was the golden age. And if you read history, as I told you earlier, the person who drew the first world map was Al-Idrisi, 1154. In mathematics, the Indians had known about the zero. The Arabs came, they got that and invented, they put the decimal point. So therefore, even what we call the numerals, it's known as Arabic numerals. That 1, 2, 3, 4. The right word for that is Arabic numerals. 1, 2, 3, 4. It is by the Arabs. In trigonometry, if you know, the person who was an expert, Al-Biruni, he was expert. The Pythagoras theorem, the square of the opposite side is equal to the sum of the other two sides of the triangle. It was Al-Tusi. So when we read history, Muslims on top of the world. The father of chemistry, who is he? You know, we read in the book, Geber. It is Jabir ibn Hayyan. They want to westernize the name, Geber. Sounds like a westerner. It is Jabir ibn Hayyan, Geber. We read in school, the person who discovered the blood circulation, William Harvey. And 400 years before William Harvey, it was Ibn Nafis. Ibn Nafis was the first person who described the blood circulation. But in the books we read about William Harvey, no one knows about Ibn Nafis. In medicine, Razi, Muhammad, Shakir, they were experts. In chemistry, in medicine, in smallpox. We know the Aristotle of the East. Aristotle of the East. Avicenna. Ali ibn Sina. In Avicenna. We think it's a westerner, Avicenna. It is Ali ibn Sina. I can give hundreds of names of Muslim scientists, but I agree with you. Now, the Muslims have declined. We Muslims on top of the world. The reasons today the Muslims have declined and we're on the receiving end is because that time we were close to our religion. Now Muslims have gone away from our religion, away from Quran and Sahih Hadith. The Westerners have advanced because they too have gone away from the religion. We have declined because we have gone away from our religion. The Westerners have advanced because they too have gone away from their religion. Their religion is not haqq, our religion is haqq. The reason we have gone away from Quran and Sunnah, that's the reason we are in this situation. If we go back to Quran and the Sahih Hadith and implement the guidance given by Allah and His Rasul, inshallah, once again we'll be on top of the world. I hope that answers the question.